back down, but I found a way to pick myself up off the ground. And all you used to do was criticize me, but now I find a good and I emphasize it. See, you would always get so sensitive and try to turn your transgressions into my guiltiness, but now I'm certain of the way I live and what I'm responsible for in this twisted game. And it's such a shame that you try to make pain another word for my name. Whether giving or receiving, it's one and the same. Just one more link in your long ass chain, but it's time to break this.
Let me take you on a trip to a wonderland. Here we go, snap your fingers, say Alakazam. Do your lows turn to highs and your highs go above. Jump into new shoes, say bye to what it was. Start the quest, get out of your nest, yes. Shoot your mind up like a rocket. Check the experience, you won't regret. Bet it will radiate live and direct. Yep, take a stand, it is your chance. Plan to expand, you're in command. And break the mold, of the old goal. Take a step forward, open up a new door. Psychology never was my nature, and I can't fight back what is in my nature. But I try and I try and I try and I try. Standing on my head on a roller coaster
Faccio i brani.